Picture staying in a hotel with a friend next door. You like your room freezing cold, but they want theirs toasty warm. You walk over to the wall, turn the dial to cool, and they turn theirs to heat. Within minutes, both of you are perfectly comfortable in your own spaces. Usually, keeping a large building comfortable requires massive metal ducts hidden above the ceilings, pushing air outward from a giant central fan. But in a typical hotel room, there simply isn't enough physical space for those heavy metal tunnels. Your air isn't being pushed from a distant mechanical room. Instead, the climate control happens right inside your room, using a locally based tool built for individual room control, the Fan Coil Unit. To find the Fan Coil Unit, you usually just have to look up, right above the room's entryway ceiling. Inside that hidden metal box, a small fan spins. It pulls the existing air directly from your room and pushes it through a mesh filter to remove dust. Next, that cleaned air passes over a metal coil. This coil is filled with water pumped in from the building's central heating or cooling plant. If you asked for cold air, chilled water runs through the pipes, cooling the air down as it blows past. Cooling warm air causes moisture to drop out of it, just like water droplets forming on the outside of a cold glass of lemonade. A drain pan sits underneath to catch that water and pipe it away before it can cause a leak. By putting both the fan and the coil right above your head, the building can treat the air for each room individually, right where you are standing. The reason architects and engineers rely on fan coil units comes down to a simple reality. Water is a much more efficient way to move heat around than air. If a building relies entirely on air to carry heating and cooling, it needs massive, bulky tunnels to get that air to every floor. But water is so effective at holding energy that a 2-foot-wide metal duct can be replaced by a sleek 2-inch water pipe. These small pipes weave through the building structure, carrying hot or cold water from the central equipment in the basement to your room's local unit. Replacing giant air ducts with tiny water pipes saves a lot of vertical space. This makes these units the primary choice for renovating older buildings with low ceilings, or any project where every inch of ceiling height matters. But how these pipes are laid out changes how much control you have. The most budget-friendly setup is a 2-pipe system. One pipe brings water in, and one pipe takes it back. In this setup, those 2 pipes can only carry hot water or cold water for the whole building at once. On a fall day, the side of the building in the sun might need cooling, while the shaded side is freezing. A 2-pipe system means the building has to choose one mode for everyone. Higher-end buildings use a 4-pipe system instead. This runs 2 separate loops, one for hot and one for cold. With 4 pipes, adjacent rooms can heat and cool at the exact same time. A 2-pipe setup is cheaper to install, but a 4-pipe setup provides the best room control. While these units are great for temperature, they have one major limitation. On their own, they cannot provide you with fresh outdoor air. Because the unit just keeps recycling the air that is already in your room, a sealed space would eventually fill up with stale air. To keep the air fresh, the fan coil unit needs a partner. A separate ventilation system pipes in fresh air and manages humidity, while the local fan coil unit focuses entirely on keeping your room at the exact temperature. In places where independent room control is the priority, like apartments or dorms, this combination of fresh air and local units is the standard solution. This setup isn't right for everywhere. A massive, open-plan office is often better served by one big central fan that can push a huge volume of air across a wide-open floor. But when you need to give people control over their own space, the fan coil unit is the answer. It is a locally based, water-driven solution that allows for individual temperatures in every room, as long as you provide a separate source of fresh air. By moving away from massive air ducts and relying on the efficiency of water, fan coil units allow buildings to provide precise, room-by-room comfort in even the